happens when BMW brings back one of its most iconic names with 21st century engineering and timeless styling. Meet the 2026 BMW R100, a bold revival of a true classic. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down today's most exciting machines. Today, we're talking about the all-new 2026 BMW R100, and this one hits the nostalgic sweet spot while staying fully modern. Design. The R100 is a modern classic through and through. With its low stance, exposed air-cooled boxer twin, and sculpted tank, it echoes the original R100 from the late 70s. Retro touches like the stitched leather seat, round LED headlight, and analog-style display meet updated materials, subtle aerodynamic tweaks, and a clean, purposeful aesthetic. It's the perfect blend of old soul and new spirit. Performance. At its heart is a 1000cc air oil-cooled boxer engine tuned for smooth, usable power, around 90 horsepower, and plenty of torque down low. It's not about top speed, it's about connection. The handling is light, the response is immediate, and it feels just right whether you're cruising city streets or sweeping rural roads. Features and technology. BMW keeps it simple here. Ride modes, ABS Pro, switchable traction control, and a clean TFT/analog hybrid dash. There's smartphone connectivity, heated grips, and keyless start, but no huge screens or overkill tech. The R100 is about riding, not distractions. Conclusion. The 2026 R100 is a bike for purists, modern riders, and anyone who believes motorcycles should speak to both the past and the present. What do you think? Future classic or just a good throwback? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more fresh takes on the latest bikes. Ride safe and see you in the next one.